Welcome to EnglishSpeakingCourse.com. Today's topic is conversation between buyer and seller of a mobile phone.
Listen, read, and then repeat.
Good evening, sir. How may I help you? Hello, I am looking to buy a mobile handset for myself. Could you show me a few brands? Sure, sir. Please come this way. I have some new arrivals. Yes, I wish to get something that is latest. Here they are. I put them up on the display. These are the latest designs with an advanced technology involving cool features. Can you please show me something in graphite? Sure, but doesn't anything from the display interest you? Not really. They are all appealing, but I wish to go with the graphite for this purchase. Something that I have never used before. Very well, sir. Please follow me to the counter. We have some top brands providing magnificent graphite cell phones. Wonderful. I will love to check them. Here you go, sir. Check this out. It's a new arrival and it's one of the best brands, you know. Of course, I know it is the top brand out there. But you know what? I'm a lot feature obsessed. In that case, this one is trending, sir. And it's 5G enabled. Awesome! 5G is something. Elaborate more about this product. Besides 5G, it has built-in Retina XDR and OLED, which gives you the best quality display. That's impressive. And what's there in the camera? I'm a professional photographer, so love to click pics of every little spectacle I come across. Okay, I get you. In that case, it's the best one, as it comes with wide, ultra wide, and telephoto pro lenses. Fabulous. The finishing of this model, overall, I feel it's a marvelous gadget. By the way, does it have any night mode features too? Yes, it has night mode portraits. On the wide camera, it gives you the vivid color display, which is quite impressive. I'm sure you would love to have this handset. I'm already sold. What's there in about the warranty? It comes with a 1 year's manufacturer's warranty. It has a 256 GB internal storage, dual SIM, and a wireless charger. This is just an incredible piece. Now finally tell me, how much do I pay? And do you have any EMI facility? It costs $240. And for all our privileged card members, it comes with zero interest 6 months EMI option, which will be $40 per month. Excellent, I'm going with the scheme. Let me know the documents you will need from me. Sure, sir. Please fill this form with your contact details. And we just need your latest card statement to proceed further. Thanks a lot.
Did you like my video? If yes, then please follow these steps in an order. First, hit the subscribe button. Once it grays out, you will notice a bell icon show up next to it. Hit this bell icon too, so that you always get all the latest updates from this channel in your email. And then, like and share my videos within your network.